It's so early to be at the Home Depot. Nope. Material, we got 5 or 6 of these 10 footers. Having enough better than being sorry afterwards. So everybody getting that leg in. Has 5 minutes on the clock left. All right, so that's it for this morning. They're done with their workout. Now I gotta get ready for my little babies to bring them to school. And then I gotta get my day started. I got some Pavers project to go be at. Let's get you to school. It's Friday then. Saturday, Sunday, what? All right, guys, one more time. We are here for part 3 in Verona. Look, I didn't have my pickup truck today, so I used my small car. Rigged it a little bit with some bungee cord, and I used this so I wouldn't scratch the heck out of it. What do I got in here, you ask? What I got? All right, so I got some PVC 10 footers that are going to go in the back for the drainage that we got coming up in this project here, this paver project. Got a few couplings in here. We have elbow. Your elbow? Get it? Oh, no. All right, and we got some glue, adhesive for that.
The plastic man with some glue in my hand.
Come follow me, let's come around here. We got the guys working here in the back doing their work already. Right back here. Woo! Look at the work, it's already being done. The construction, come on up guys. I'll show you, we're starting out. The foundation on this side will be your retaining wall. These are the blocks that you saw before. All right, we got Sam over there doing his stuff over there. All right guys, so you see the project starting here in the back. We got a lot more coming up. We're trying to finish it within the 3 days or so, maybe 4 days, maybe less than that. It depends how much we get done and weather permitting, of course. All right, so we got the elbow, a sleeve connected there. The guys are connecting the rest of the pieces. Some more dig out. Whew, it's a lot of dirt, which at the end is going to end up right here.
"2,000 years later."
Let's take a look at the retaining wall going all around here. And then you got the top where we have to make the platform that will drop down to the patio.
I'm not the one.
Sorry, kid.
Okay guys, let me move you guys through. All adjusted, I'm back in. Guys, check it out, we are still continuing part 3, all right? Let me explain what we have done so far. We have built the retaining wall here on this side and on this side. We still gotta come back and continue this on Sunday to finish that side. Once that is complete, we can also do the landing of the stairs on this side. It's going to be an L-shaped wrap around, so you have stairs treads on both ends. You have 2 levels over there. We have the QP set here, and then we have the stone dust. Compound that down, drop the pavers, and then you'll see the end of this. Also, we have to grade this dirt all around and make it complete so the homeowner can complete their landscaping around their new patio area. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Stay beautiful as always, stay amazing, be good.